I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to send money on PayPal. First, log into your PayPal account using your secure credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Send and Request tab, usually found at the top of your dashboard. This is your starting point for all money transfers. You'll then select the Send Money option to begin the process of transferring funds to another individual or business. This ensures you are on the correct path. Next, you'll need to enter the recipient's email address or mobile number. Double-check this information carefully to ensure your money goes to the correct person. Then, input the exact amount you wish to send. You can also add a brief note or message to the recipient, which is helpful for clarifying the purpose of the payment. This step is crucial for accuracy and clear communication, preventing any potential misdirection of funds. Now choose your preferred payment method. You can select from your linked bank account, debit card, or credit card. PayPal will display any associated fees, if applicable, before you proceed. Take a moment to review all the transaction details, including the recipient, amount, and funding source. This quick check helps prevent errors and ensures everything is correct before the final step, giving you peace of mind. Finally, click Send Payment Now to complete the transaction. The money is typically sent instantly, though processing times can vary depending on the funding source and recipient's account. Be aware that sending money for goods and services often incurs a small fee, usually a percentage of the transaction, while sending to friends and family within your country is generally free. Always confirm the fee structure for your specific transfer type.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.